Hi, I'm Mom and I welcome you all to MomDas Life Handmade. The month of March has started and I'm here to invite you all to the Useful DIY Challenge March 2020. As a homemaker, you would all agree that home is always evolving. I tend to organize a space and then after a few days feel like reorganizing it, doing it a little in a more better way, using more ideas to organize that space or organize some other item. So I want you today to go around your home, look around all your spaces, corners, items and find out what needs organization and what would you like to have as an organizer. Yes, you need to make your own organizer which will fit your requirement and would suit your style, color and shape and size, everything. Need some ideas? You can make a tray, you can make a box, you can make a bag, you can make a shelf, any kind of organizer, a folder, anything that you can use for organizing your items. You have to show us how you make it and you will inspire us, you will inspire everybody to create their own organizer, get some ideas about organizing items. Let's meet the co-host of this month, April Adair. April is a wonderful person and she has this beautiful channel called April Adair Shares where she does a lot of thrifting. She gets these lovely items. Then she does her own magic, does some DIY and turns them into beautiful items. Most of them are farmhouse chic, some are cottage, some have this beautiful color. Some of them show this beautiful pattern, something that she has her own personal style. I love watching her videos and I'm sure you would like it too. And if you're new to her channel, I strongly recommend you to go to her channel. I'll put link to April's channel in the card above as well as in the description box below. Let's go ahead with the rules of the challenge. Rule number 1, in the title of your video, add the words Useful DIY Challenge March 2020. Rule number 2, in the description box below your video where you write about your video, add hashtag Useful DIY Organizer. Rule number 3, this is a DIY challenge, so you have to show us how you make your organizer. Rule number 4, you should be subscribed to both the channels MomDas Life Handmade and April Adair Shares. Rule number 5, you must mention the host, the channels and the playlist, that is Mom from MomDas Life Handmade, April from April Adair Shares and the playlist that I'm going to create for this challenge in your video as well as in the description box below so that more people get to know about it, we get to have more viewers and make more friends and inspire more people. Rule number 6 is the upload date and time, and the upload date and time for this month's challenge is going to be 23rd March 2020 at 5 p.m. Indian Standard Time. If you're unsure about the time, just Google and ask what is 5 p.m. Indian Standard Time and Google will give you the conversion in your local time. Just schedule your video to the time and it will get published on its own and we will all go live 23rd March 2020 at 5 p.m. Indian Standard Time together and have a blast. I hope that every one of you will join us this time in this challenge and share your ideas for making an organizer and we will find more ideas which will suit our home. I thank April for hosting this month's challenge with me and I'll see you soon in my next video and on 23rd March 2020. All the rules of the challenge are given also in my description box below. Be creative, take care.